This is a COB LED, and if you ever bought one of these and don't know at what voltage you should drive them, you can find them simply by reading a code here. So each of any COB LED will have some sort of code here. So in here the code reads 2B12C. So 2B12C 2B represents how many number of parallel strings are there, and 12C means how many are series in there. So it is like this. In series there are like 12 LEDs like this in 12, and there are 2 in parallel. And we already know voltage remains same in parallel and divides in series. So we can find voltage drop for one string, and we can drive it at that voltage, and that voltage drop will depend on this LED color. So for warm white and cold white, the forward drop will be 3.3 volt, usually 3.3 to 3.4 volt, and number of LEDs 12 LEDs, so 12 times 3 will be 36 to 40 volts. So this is the voltage range for driving this COB LED. So if you ever have any COB LED and don't know at what voltage to drive it, you can find out this way.